In this video, we have to find out the center of mass of a hollow hemisphere. Now, likewise, the solid hemisphere, you can imagine many rings of decreasing radius which are placed on one another in the order going up with decreasing radius. Then it would form a hollow hemisphere, and therefore the element which we are considering here is a ring. So consider this as a ring whose width is r d theta and the radius of the ring is r cos theta. So the mass dm of this ring will be equal to mass of the hemisphere upon. Now hemisphere is hollow, therefore its complete mass will be distributed only on its surface. So the surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, and the surface area of this elemental ring will be equal to its width into its length. So its length is 2 pi, its radius is r cos theta, and the width is r d theta. So this is 2 pi and r square is cancelled out with r square. So dm will be equal to m upon m into cos theta d theta. This is the elemental mass of this hollow hemisphere of this element. Now the y coordinate of the element again will be equal to integration y dm upon integration of dm, and this is integration y coordinate is equal to this height. This height will be the center of mass of the ring will be this point, and therefore this height will be r sine theta. So this is y will be r sine theta multiply by dm will be m cos theta d theta divided by total mass, which is m. Now cancelling this m with m, and the limit of theta will be from 0 to 90 or pi by 2, because the largest elemental ring will be at the base, and for that ring this angle theta will be 0, and the smallest elemental ring will be at the top, and for that ring this angle will be 90. So this is equal to r by 2 sine 2 theta integration 0 to pi by 2, and you are imagining, if you are imagining that how I have written it, then you know the formula that sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta by 2. So YCOM will be equal to r by 2. The integration of sine 2 theta will be cos 2 theta by 2 with a negative sign, and the limit will be 0 to pi by 2. So this is minus r by 4 and cos 2 theta. So cos 2 into pi by 2 minus cos 0. So this is equal to minus r, in fact plus r by 2. So this is the YCOM of the hollow hemisphere. Thank you.